Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I was actually about to settle for a camera I didn't want, and I actually got a camera, the actual camera that I wanted, for way cheaper. Hopefully y'all can see me. And these are Amazon boxes. These are like accessories for my camera, 2 boxes. But I opened one to see, like, to make sure that this was it. Make sure my stuff ain't showing, but yeah, this is the camera. Like I said, I was about to settle for the camera I actually didn't want because I wanted better quality, but I actually got the camera that I wanted for cheaper. Y'all, you know it's God when you just can't even explain it. Like, you just know, like, it's God. You just know, like, it's God. Like, this is the Sony ZV-1. I was about to purchase the Sony ZV-F1 at Best Buy. Like, I called them. Like, I was on a website one day and I called them. Me and this man was on the phone for like an hour trying to get my camera situated, like, so I can come in and pick it up. Like, he taking my information, my phone number, my name. So first thing first, I called to make sure it was in stock because I wanted the camera that day. So we was on the phone for like an hour. Great conversation, great customer service, you know, telling me about the camera, make sure I'm going to get my camera. And he told me, you can come in anytime to come pick the camera up. Okay, so boom, like 2 hours later, I go pick the camera up and I'm going to the customer service at the Best Buy thing, and the lady was like, I told her my order number, my phone number, whatever, I can't really remember. And the lady was like, your camera has to process. It has to process. Yeah, once it's processed, you should get like an email. Mind you, the man on the phone told me I can come pick the camera up anytime. So boom, I knew from there, like, I'm not getting this camera. Like, something just not right. Like, that don't even make sense to me. So when she told me that, it's like I was just staring at her, like, cause I'm thinking to myself, like, I ain't getting this camera today. But I guess she thought I caught an attitude with her. So she started talking to my mama about the camera, like, it has to process, The whole time I ain't had no attitude. I was just like, I ain't getting it today. Like, an hour after getting home or whatever, I got an email saying your order was canceled due to information misuse. I don't know. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, so it's a miracle. We have to cancel your order. Unfortunately, we experienced a problem verifying some of your information, so we had to cancel your order. So boom, and mind you, even on the phone with the man, get my information saying, getting the confirmation through the email, I screenshotted all this stuff, say payment submitted, everything is good. Like, I'm on the phone with the man, like, everything is good. Like, I know for sure I'm getting this camera, and he know for sure I'm getting this camera. So boom, get to the place and it's just canceled. So I wasn't really upset about it. It's like, dang, okay, whatever. Like, I just knew, like, I can get better. Like, I just had the faith. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, this how I just know it's God when it's just unexplainable. So that day I started seeing TikToks of, like, people going to a pawn shops and buying these good cameras. I'm talking about Canons, Sonys, all these good cameras. So, like, all of a sudden these just popped up on my TikTok. Like, I don't know, before even trying to get the camera, y'all, from Best Buy, like, before calling the dude, before all that, I made a YouTube video on, like, I don't think it's the perfect time, and if it's the time, God will let me know. But I never uploaded the video, obviously. And even after they canceled my order, I made another video, like, just chit chat with me. I'm not gonna upload it, but yeah, I'm just talking. And another thing, y'all know my night routine video? Yeah, when I was writing in my book, guess what I put in my book? I'm gonna put it up on the screen. That's what I put in my book. This is another crazy thing. It's not crazy, but it's like, I know it's God. Like, God used people. So another thing, after the camera got canceled, after filming the video talking about it, just saying, like, I tried to get the camera, I don't think it's a good time, blah 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 blah. Yeah, why did somebody text me on Instagram and she asked me, she was like, hey Miracle, do you use your phone or a camera to record? She said. I told her I use my phone. But isn't it such a coincidence? Do y'all get, like, I don't think y'all get it. Like, the time I'm looking for a camera, I got denied by this camera. I know her. She texted me. She was like, do you use your phone or your camera? Yeah, everything happened for a reason. So her texting me that, it put me back on the grind to like get my camera. I want my camera. So after seeing all the TikTok, I was like, let me just call these pawn shops. After the second pawn shop I called, the man told me, he was like, yeah, we got Candies, we got Sony's. I thought the man was lying, but the man is really sweet. So went to the pawn shop, saw a bunch of cameras. So many cameras. As soon as I stepped it up, and my job, before we even went to in the pawn shop, me and my mom, we was skeptical about going, cause it just looked fishy. Like the pawn shop just looked weird. Like it's in a weird spot. It had a lot of stuff around it. Like it just looked creepy, and nobody else was there. Like we was the only ones there. We ended up going in. They were very friendly, and they had all these cameras. Yeah, when I said the camera's like $200 cheaper, $200 cheaper. So they had a Sony ZV-1. That's the camera I was going to settle for, but the camera I want is the Sony ZV-1. And this is the camera that I got, Sony ZV-1. So yeah, look, let me tell you how to catch. On both of these cameras, it was like the Sony ZV-F1 was in the front and the Sony ZV-1 was like in the middle, and another Sony camera was on the side. So I could see the Sony ZV-F1, it had the price of $379 on there. I can see the price on the Sony ZV-1. So I called the lady over and she opened the case. I was like, how much is it? Yeah, $379. Same price as the Sony ZV-1. I don't think they knew like it was two different cameras because they look the same and the name sound the same, but those are two different cameras. So I think I got blessed. I was about to settle for a camera. Mind you, I didn't tell you the price. I was going to pay for the camera I was going to settle for, and I ended up getting this camera for $406 on the thing. The total price, okay, the original price was $379 plus tax or whatever. It came up to $406.59. So yeah, I got the camera that I want, and these cameras, the Sony ZV-1 usually go for like $600 to $800. But to boost everything up, I would have paid like $1,000, $900 or $1,000 for this camera when I only got it for $406. So the only thing it didn't come with was like, everything works fine, everything works amazing, like a brand new camera. The only thing that's wrong with it is it got a scratch up here. I'm not tripping about it. It didn't come with a wind muff. I ordered me a wind muff. This man gave me this charger. It came with a battery, but I ordered more batteries. And yeah, everything works perfect. Like, look at me. And I will share the quality at the end of this video. Hopefully this video don't be too long because we already in 10 minutes and I ain't even unboxed it. But I'm trying to tell y'all, like, God is good. When he's blocking you for something, it's protection. He got better for you in store. Just wait. Don't get upset about it. I didn't get upset about it. I wasn't worried about it. I just brushed it off. Like, I said to myself, maybe it's just not my time, and it wasn't my time. And since I waited and I had faith in him, I got what I wanted. Like, everything was just meant, y'all. I can't even explain it. And I really hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Have faith. Like, don't get upset when something don't go your way. Like, talk to God about it. 9 times out of 10, he's protecting you. He got better for you. Like I trust him so much. Like, y'all, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm not really good with my words, but just know, God, okay? The pawn shop is, I think it's called Pawn Plus. It's in South Haven, Mississippi. They also had a Sony ZV-1F. And they had Canon cameras, but I really wasn't into the Canon cameras because this is my dream camera. This is the camera that I wanted, and I got it. It's in my hands. And now, guys, we're gonna get into the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box because I already opened it. Oh, and I opened this too. This is the adapter because I wanted to see, like, was it gonna work. So whenever I film my camera, all I have to do is take the SD card out, put it in here, and plug it into my phone to transfer the videos and pictures. And it also has this port. I guess this goes to like an iPhone 15. So yeah, having my camera case, I went with black. I feel like everywhere I got pink. I was gonna do green, but I just went with black. It's like, yeah, why not? This is the camera case. So it could protect my camera just in case I accidentally drop it, Lord forbid. And this part is also removable. Yeah, this is cute. It also came with like a glass screen protector to put on the screen part of the camera. I'm trying to hurry up now because I feel like this video is too long. And y'all, these are my extra batteries. Another thing about this camera, I heard a lot of people say the Sony camera dies really fast, so you will need extra batteries and a battery charging thing. So I went ahead and got this. It's 3 batteries, battery charging thing. So I can put all the batteries in here and put the little charging port. Oh, my SD card. I forgot to show y'all. I'm gonna pop in a video or a picture of when I went to go get my SD card. But yeah, I think I got 128 gigabyte if I'm not mistaken. Now it's time for this box. This is my tripod, and after I open this, I'm gonna put everything on my camera so y'all can see, and I'm gonna show y'all like how it looks, the quality of the camera. The tripod. Hopefully it holds my camera, because I'm gonna have to get me a wow, this is fancy. I'm gonna have to get me a lens, and that lens more than likely gonna be heavy on my camera. What is this? Oh, I guess this is like attachment piece. One camera, 2 attachment pieces. This is the iPhone piece, and it comes with remote. It's like iOS and Android. I guess it's for the phone. And now it's time for the actual tripod. Oh yeah, this is sturdy. Girl, I thought this thing was cheap. Very good quality. It's like some other tripods I be getting, but way bigger. Yeah, this is huge. I'm gonna put my case on, and I'm gonna put my the tripod on. Okay, y'all, so I got my case on, and it's so smooth. Like, I love this. Like, this feels much better than just the camera itself. I'm glad I got black, because we don't need no extra colors. Yeah, this is a great tripod. Like, this is very sturdy. I thought it was gonna be flimsy and wouldn't be able to hold my camera.